What's up, guys? Today we'll be ranking Number Lord, Super Society's Number Lord. Tier list based on if I would smash them. Okay, so we have 0 here. Hard smash. Hard pass. 1. Hard pass. 2. Hard pass. 3. Hard pass. 4. Hard pass. 5. Hard pass. 6. Hard pass. 7. Hard pass. 8. Hard pass. 9. Cyborg. Hard pass. Regular 9. Pass. You know what? This is taking too long, so I'm gonna speed up the video and I'll explain what numbers is at this. Okay, guys, I finished the entire tier list. As you can see, we have no one in Hard Smash, no one in Soft Smash, no one in Smash, no one in Might or Might Not, no one in Pass, no one in Soft Pass. We have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 30 again, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, I buy, and you get the drill. Wanna know why? Because I would not smash a single one of them. Thanks for watching. See you all next time. Bye-bye.